Hey guys, welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to work again on my E46. This is the progress which you could see in the last video. Now we are going to work on the rear suspension. We will jack the car up. We will need to move the car a little bit to the right to fit the floor jack and the jack stands underneath the car. And right now it will be on the edge of this little concrete thing. It should be fun because we have no seat or whatsoever. So I'm going to try and move the car a little bit, either by hand or I don't know, let's see. Where I have the keys. Let's see. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah. So now we are going to jack the car up. I will try to do this from the middle. That way I can lift the whole car. I think it's okay. This is the current situation with the jack stand. This is the jack stand I want to put the car on. As you can see, it's much bigger and I feel much safer underneath this one than this one. So, but now I have to put something under the jack so that I can jack the car even higher, and let's hope I won't kill myself in the process. I will show you what is the current procedure with which I'm struggling. So, as you can see, here is the little concrete blocks, here is the jack stand, here is some, I would say, half centimeter thick metal sheet, there is the jack, there is the little contraption which we did to hold the metal plate in place. And yeah, let's hope that we can jack it up at least somehow higher. Let's put the camera a little bit further so that if something goes wrong, the camera, which is more expensive than the car altogether right now, will be fine. Is this enough? Oh yeah, almost. We will be okay. Let's hope the car doesn't move forward. It should be okay. As you can see, we don't have much space, but it's just enough. I just hope that the little concrete thing underneath the jack will hold up to the weight, but this should be okay. Let's try and see if the jack stands, which to be honest I didn't use much too often because they are too high, as you can see, for my daily use. Yeah, let's hope it works. Fingers crossed, it seems to be working. We have to give the car a little tug so that we can know for sure that it's not going anywhere. And it's not. It's stuck in place. but to be honest with you, I was not very confident that it will work. I'm happy that it did, but just a disclaimer, don't try this at home. I am aware that this is very stupid, but as you can see, they are rated at least by the manufacturer for 6 tons. So I'm hoping that even if they are lying by 100%, that it can hold at least this E46, which is not very heavy. So yeah, they look like the Harbor Freight jack stands, but for my use right now, I will put some more wheels underneath the car. We have plenty of them laying around in the garage. Okay, wheels are under the car, just for safety measures. As you can see, we have plenty of space underneath the car. I will get the wheels down and then we can get to work. Or no. So as I mentioned earlier, I will try to sort everything into little bags or Ziplocs so that I can find all bolts and everything later on. Now we will disassemble rear brakes, rear calipers, discs, and we will try to disconnect everything. Okay, the caliper is almost completely loose. This should do the job. Now we can put down the... Oh, we have the parking brake on. I almost forgot. Okay. I'm not sure what's the problem here. Okay, this side is done. Now we can lower the jack. I didn't hit record, but I managed to pull out the rear spring. You can see how much dirt is there. The rear springs were not very well because the whole rear was sagging, as you could see in the first video. So we will be changing everything, almost everything you see here. We are going to push the axle out of the wheel hub. We heated up the lug nut and it came out pretty easily with the impact gun, and so now okay, we managed to loosen up the rear trailing arm, and we will pull it out of the axle, or the axle out of it. Okay. We will cut the handbrake cable because we didn't manage to pull it out from the wheel hub. We managed to cut the parking brake cable. We just disconnected and disassembled this brake caliper holder, or the brake line holder, and we managed to pull it out from the axle. We will continue with the second side, and then we will drop the subframe and remove the axles from the differential. Thank you guys for watching. This is everything for today's video. We will continue probably again soon or next week. So yeah, see you then.